Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete history in ShareX. So let's get straight into it. Now here, open up ShareX main window and let's go here at the left, history. So click on it and you will see it right here that we have some files and data about it. Now you see here we have a bunch of them. So we can do it simply just go through them, and then if you right click on them you can delete file and item, delete item, or you can just press on your keyboard delete button and you will delete it. So this is the one way. You can select all of them and press delete. Now if you don't like to do in this environment, you can also go here to the screenshot folder, click on it, and you will be basically, it will open up the file in your computer where these screenshots are saved. And from here you can then delete it if you want. So we can do that like that, press delete. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can delete the history in your computer, in ShareX. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next